Καλησπέρα φίλες και φίλοι. Τι κάνετε? Είμαι μία χαρά. Επειδή καταλαβαίνω καλύτερα how the articles work. Καταλαβαίνω καλύτερα. I understand a bit better how the articles work. Alright, it's been tough, but slowly but surely I am getting there. And I'm so happy that I can share it with you. So, my purpose, that's why I have here a few things with me, is to tackle how to use the equivalent article the that you use in English, all right? But how we use in Greek. So, πάμε. Αυτή η μπύρα είναι κρύα. Ναι, είναι κρύα. Αυτή η μπύρα είναι κρύα. This beer is cold. Αυτή η μπύρα είναι κρύα. In Greek, you don't say just this beer is cold. In Greek, you must say this, the beer, η μπύρα is cold. You cannot say this beer is cold. No. Αυτή η μπύρα είναι κρύα. Αυτός ο καφές είναι ζεστός. Αυτός ο καφές είναι ζεστός. Ζεστός. Είναι ζεστός. The coffee is warm. Okay? That's the way in Greek they use. Ο καφές. Αυτό το μπουκάλι είναι μεγάλο. The bottle is big. Αυτό το μπουκάλι είναι μεγάλο. Αυτό το ποτήρι είναι μικρό. Αυτό το ποτήρι είναι μικρό. The glass is small. Ναι. Αυτός ο χυμός πορτοκάλι είναι γλυκός. Ναι, αυτός ο χυμός πορτοκάλι είναι γλυκός. Αυτή η λεμονάδα είναι ξινή. Είναι ξινή. Λίγο. Είναι ξινή. Ναι. Wow. Η μπύρα. Η λεμονάδα. These two are feminine. I. It happens to have the ending o alpha. Λεμονάδα. Μπύρα. But you could also find feminine with I.
Τηλεόραση.
Which ends in ita. So most of the times the feminine nouns will have this ending. But the article will always be I. Then we've got ο καφές, ο χυμός. So in here we've got o, which is the for the masculine nouns, and then we've got καφές, s, χυμός, os. Most of the times we are gonna see that they end in sigma, okay? As we saw in the previous video. Then we've got το μπουκάλι, το μπουκάλι, το ποτήρι. Those are neutral and they have to. The for neutral nouns. These two happen to end in
Γιώτα.
okay, but you could also find neutral nouns, for instance, το νερό with omicron, okay? Το νερό. You could also find, I think, το τσάι. And we've got a iota. I don't know all the nouns because I'm learning, so I cannot tell you if all the nouns happen to have this rule. I believe that there are many exceptions, but as long as I keep progressing, I will find out. What about the adjectives? Yes, the adjectives, you must combine them according to the gender of the noun. So let's categorize them in 3 columns. We've got the feminine nouns, okay, like η μπύρα, η λεμονάδα. So the adjectives for these feminine nouns would be κρύα, ξινή, μεγάλη, μικρή, ζεστή, γλυκιά. Let's go now to the masculine nouns. Remember, ο καφές, ο χυμός. The adjectives would be ζεστός, γλυκός, κρύος, ξινός, μεγάλος, μικρός. Let's go to the neutral nouns. Remember, το ποτήρι, το μπουκάλι. So the adjectives for this type of words would be μεγάλο, μικρό, κρύο, ζεστό, γλυκό, ξινό. Wow, we've done a lot of job here. So here my tip for you and for me is to writing them down and to try to combine them. In my examples today, I have said, alright, η μπύρα, αυτή η μπύρα είναι κρύα. But you could say, αυτός ο καφές είναι κρύος. Alright. Αυτή η λεμονάδα είναι κρύα. Okay. Αυτή η μπύρα είναι μεγάλη. Okay, so we combine the adjective. That's our exercise for these following days. Okay? Τα λέμε μετά. Φιλάκια πολλά. Ο καφές. Αυτός ο καφές είναι ζέστη. Όχι! Ζεστός! Σάρα, please! Αυτός ο καφές είναι ζεστός, not ζέστη. Ζέστο! Όχι, όχι.